Here's how to get rid of dead rats so your trash can doesn't stink. First, you're gonna need some gloves so you don't get no diseases on your fingers. Then, Ziploc bags. Want the big dog in the bag first. Push him down in there. Then, little guy goes right here. Got a little space there for him. Zip it up. Make sure it closes tight. The tail is your enemy in this situation. There you go. Ready for the trash can. Oh, probably should get the air out. Alright, if you're a bong toker, stick your nose right there. Let out all the air right here in this area. Get a good whiff. Get high off this stuff. Close it up. Another key here I found when setting these traps is that when you put some food in there, I use peanut butter, man. This stuff works good. This was the lamest peanut butter ever in my life I got. Look inside there. You can't even spread this on bread. Bread just crumbles apart. It's so gnarly, this stuff. It's like rocks. So I just use it for the mouse traps. But what you want to do is get some peanut butter, stick it on there, and then use it as glue. Take some crackers or bread, and you smoosh it on there like that. They're going to have a hard time getting that off without setting off the trap. Smush it on there like this. The key is, though, you got to come back, flip this around, come back and get underneath it because this peanut butter sticks to the wood. See what I'm saying? Now lift it up, get it off in the air like that. Then set your trap. Get your fingers inside there, push it together, release. Now the peanut butter is up in the air. You can't see it real close, but it is. When they come back, they're going to be in for a surprise. This technique works great. I caught one every night. This is my 6-1. They like this little corner. And then throw this stuff. Crackers. You throw all kinds of bait stuff all over the place for them to try and get. And then come back out the next morning. You'll have a couple of these rats.